Namaste students, in this video we are going to see exercise 4.2 fifth problem and sixth problem. First, fifth problem. Understand the question. The altitude of a right angled triangle. Altitude means what? Height. Of a right angled triangle. What is the altitude? This is altitude. Altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less. 7 centimeter less than its base. So the altitude is given with base. So which one we have to take it as a x? Base only we have to take it as a x. If the base is x means then altitude is 7 centimeter less. 7 centimeter less, x minus 7. 7 centimeter less than its base. Less than its base. So x minus 7. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find other two sides. We have to find this two sides. So the base have taken x. First write that one. Let the base be x centimeter and let the altitude be x minus 7 centimeter and hypotenuse is equal to 13 centimeter. So how we don't have any other statement here, then how we can frame a quadratic equation? By using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem we can frame a equation, quadratic equation. What is the Pythagoras theorem? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. That is, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. 13 square, hypotenuse AC is 13 and AB is x minus 7 the whole square plus BC is x square. Then you have to simplify this one. How we can simplify this one? 13 square is 169 is equal to a minus b the whole square. So what formula we have to apply here? A minus b the whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. This formula only I am going to apply in x minus 7. So then x square minus 2 7s are 14x plus 49 plus x square. Okay. Then 169 is equal to x square plus x square is 2x square minus 14x plus 49. So I am going to shift this 169 to the right hand side to frame a equation. 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169. So 0 is equal to x square minus 14x. Then what you will get? If you subtract, what you will get? Minus 120. So 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. So all the number will divisible by 2. So I am going to divide by 2. X square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of x. But how we can find the value of x? By factorization method. Here I have negative sign, so one must be positive and one must be negative, and one must be negative and one must be positive. Here I have negative, so I have to choose this one. Okay, minus plus and 60. How you will get 60? 12 into 5. 12 into 5, you have to check whether you are getting minus 7. Bigger number sign is minus and both the signs are different, so you have to subtract. The number is 7. Okay, here I don't have any coefficient with x square, so straight away I can write the answer x minus 12 and x plus 5. So x minus 12 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 12 is equal to 0 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 12, comma, x is equal to minus 5. So the length will not be in the negative value, so we can't take this value. So which one we have to take? X is equal to 12. X is equal to 12. If x is equal to 12 only you can take, means the base is equal to 12 centimeter and the altitude is equal to 12 minus 7 is 5 centimeter. Therefore, the base is 12 centimeter and the altitude is 5 centimeter. Next, sixth problem in exercise 4.2. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of the production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of the production, this is cost, okay, total cost of the production on that day was 90. The total cost is 90. Find the number of article produced and the cost of each article also you have to find. Okay, find the number of article. So first I am going to take a let the number of article be x. First I am going to take the number of article be x. Next, the cost. Let the cost of a article be twice the number of articles. Twice the number of article is 3 more than. Twice the number of articles and it's 3 more than. So 2x plus 3. According to the statement, according to the statement, the quadratic equation is, what is the next statement? The total cost of a production on that day was 90. Number of article plus cost, into cost will be 90. The product, you have to multiply the number of the articles and the cost of the articles, then you will get the total cost of a production on that particular day. Okay, number of article produced on that day, and the cost of the article, cost of one article be 2x plus 3, then you will get the total cost of a production on that day was 90. Okay, and you have to multiply x 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. Okay, then you have to multiply inside the bracket x 2x square plus 3x is equal to 90. We have to write in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We can't divide by any common number, so keep it as it is. We have to solve this one. This is a quadratic equation we got from the statement. Now you have to factorize. 2 into 90 is minus 180 plus 3. Here I have negative, so I will have two options, positive, negative and negative, positive. Here I have positive, so I have to choose this one, positive, negative. This is a bigger number, so find the factor. 180, 2 table 90, and then 2 table 45, and then 2 table, sorry, we can do by 2 table, so we can do by 5 table, 9 times and 3. So this one you all know. Okay, so 180 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. Okay, how we can find the two numbers? You will get plus 3. 2 twos are 4. 4 fives are 20. Shall we check this one? 20. 3 threes are 9. So one is positive and another one is negative. Positive, okay, we will get the positive. But if we subtract, we won't get 3. So we can't choose this one. Then go with the some other number. 2 twos are 4. 4 threes are 12. And 5 threes are 15. Bigger number right here. So positive, negative. The bigger number is positive, both the signs are different, so you have to subtract, then you will get 3. Yeah, we got. So plus 15 and minus 12. We can't write straight away because we have a number 2 here with the x square. So we have to divide by 2. We have to divide by 2. You can divide this one. No, we can't divide 15 and 2. So write it as it is. And you can divide this one, minus 6 by 1. Now you can write the factors now. 2x plus 15 and x minus 6 is equal to 0. 2x plus 15 is equal to 0 and x minus 16 is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to minus 15. X is equal to plus 6. X is equal to minus 15 divided by 2 and x is equal to 6. Number of articles, we have to find the number of articles. Number of articles only bx we took. Now here we got x is equal to minus 15 by 2. How we will get the number of article b minus 15 by 2? We can't. So I am going to neglect this one. X is equal to 6. So 6 articles, therefore the number of articles be x and cost of a article, one article is equal to 2x plus 3. Cost of a article, one article is 2x plus 3. So 2 into 6 plus 3, 12 plus 3 is rupees 15. The number of article be X and the cost of one article is 15. Okay, if you multiply this one 6 and 15, you have to get 90 because the total cost of a production on that day, and that day is 90. Yes, if you multiply the 6 and 15, you will get 90. So our answer is correct. Thank you, children.